everyone, it's Meriem. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna be showing you a beautiful DIY project I worked on and I absolutely love the way it looks. I'm using some Hobby Lobby Easter wall decor that was on clearance for 90% off. You will watch me make it. It's so beautiful and of course budget friendly. I hope you all enjoy today's video and give it a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family if you enjoy it. And with that, let's go ahead and get started. I started by removing the letters using my staples puller. I'm going to paint these and give them a whole new look. But before that, I went in with some sandpaper and just cleaned up the edges super quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this finish paint. So here I have 12 by 12 inches printed canvas that I picked up from 99 cents only store. I simply ripped the canvas off and cleaned it up and began to paint. I'm using a brushed metallic paint and I gave it 3 thin coats. project turned out so beautiful. I love it. That's exactly what I needed to organize my crafting space. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you missed my last videos, they will be here on the screen and also in the description box down below. My last video was about easy way to make mirrored wall sconces. Super inexpensive. Be sure to check that out. They look really high-end. So with that, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.